Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /u.in. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a custom home directory for any new user in Linux. Okay, so if you want to create a new user in Linux with custom home directory or with custom directory, you can do that. You know that suppose if you add a user, like if you are adding user add Ajay, so what will happen? If you add user like this user have a home directory inside cd/home/Ajay. This is the home directory of this user. Okay, so you can see the path of the user Ajay. So this is the home directory for user Ajay /home/Ajay. Similarly, if you add user Satish, the home directory will be cd/home/Satish. Okay, now how you can see this information? You can use cat etc passwd command. This is the file where all the information of user has been saved. So you can see here, this is Ajay user, and if you see here, Ajay user home directory is /home/Ajay. Similarly, if you add user Satish, like user add Satish, what will be the home directory for user Satish? That will be /home/Satish. But what we want a custom home directory. We don't want this by default path. Okay, we want a custom home directory. So is it possible to do that? Yes, it is possible. Okay, so I am taking hacking classes. So for that hacking classes, I want all my users inside the hacking directory. So I can create directly like that, like mkdir/hacking. You can create a folder like this. Inside this, you can create another folder like mkdir-p, and inside hacking folder I am going to create a folder, another folder, a student. So inside hacking folder, a student folder has been created. Now inside this student folder, I want to create the home directory of my new user. Suppose my new user is hacker. So I will just add user add -d. Remember, this time I am going to add a custom home directory. So for directory, you have to mention -d. -d mentioned here, home directory. So -d and the path of the custom folder, that hacking students, and the name of the user, that is hacker. Suppose hacker, HACK here. So I'm going to create a hacker user, and then the username hacker again. That's all. Now what will happen in this case? Now the home directory for hacker will be not like /home/hacker. No, it will be /hacking/student/hacker. If you want to test, you can see cat/ctc/passwd, and you can see here for hacker user the home directory is /hacking/student/hacker, which is not the default value. By default, the all users created inside /home/Ajay. You can see /home/Satish, but here it's /hacking/student/hacker. So in this way, you can customize the path of the user. Okay, this is very important. If you want to customize the path of a user, you can do that. And Linux is very flexible. You know, Linux is very flexible, and it provides you the flexibility to configure the home directory with your choice. Even it is possible to add a user without any home directory. Okay, it means there will be user, but there will be no home directory. Like suppose, like example, user add. Suppose I am going to add a user CCNA. First of all, clear this screen. So user add CCNA, or make it a small CCNA. So this command will create a user, but this user has home directory. You can see /home/CCNA. Now I am going to create another user without home directory. I am going to zoom it so that you guys can see it clearly. The command. What is the command? The command is user add. I am going to add another user CCNP without home directory, -M and the name of the user CCNP. And now when you run this command, this user CCNP user have no home directory. If you want to check, you can run cat etc passwd, and inside here you can see, it's giving the part that /home/CCNP is there. But if you type cd slash home slash ccnp, it is not there. You can see when I go to cd home, press enter and I type ls, Ajay is there, ccna is there, Satish is there, but no ccnp there. It means there is no ccnp directory there. You can check there is another way. You could type ls hyphen l slash home slash ccnp. So you can see that there is no such file or directory. ऐसा कोई फाइल, ऐसा कोई path है ही नहीं. There is no existence of this path. It means whatever showing here, this is only virtual. By default, if you run this command, which command I am going to show you using the history command, so history. So if you run this command, user add hyphen m and then the name of the user, in this method it will create a user without home directory. It means there will be user inside the system, but there will be no home directory. You can later on create the home directory using line number 97. Okay, so line number 97 is to create a user with custom home directory. I hope you understand, and this will be useful when you are configuring telnet and you want a proper user to allow, and this will be useful when you want to attach your user data with RAID or LVM. You want to give a RAID support to your user data, like suppose user hacker data. You want to give LVM support to this user data. You can create a custom directory and where you can give the path of the RAID devices or LVM devices. Okay guys, hope it will help you and you guys can enjoy. You guys can practice this in your Linux machine. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. I will be available here all the time. Okay guys, thank you for watching.